Got the Odyssey pull ends. I really like them. ODI long neck grips feel awesome once you break them in. Stock bars, 8.5 inch rise, 29.5 wide. A little big, but I like them. The stem, got a stock stem, flips upside down. It's really light, it's hollow. Got an integrated headset, stock fork. It's tapered and it's really light. Still got the stock tire. It's a Duo SSR 2.25 with a Cinema 333 rim, Cinema spokes, Cinema nipples, and a Shadow Raptor hub with a Shadow Raptor hub guard and a stolen Thermalite peg. They slide really good. I love these pegs. My seat, I've got a Verde pivotal seat, which is a steel post. It's whatever. Got a McNeil, red McNeil C-clamp bolt, Tulsa Oilers bracelet, Duo Resolite pedals. They've got pretty good grip, but they wear down pretty fast. So yeah. Verde tubular cranks, stock. Got the stolen Clash Ring 25 tooth sprocket. It's alright. Got a red KMC chain, just because it was cheap and it matches my bike, and it's really loose because I don't feel like tightening it. Got another Thermalite peg. I got a Duo SSR tire once again. Cinema nipples, Cinema 333 rim. Some spokes that I got from Quickie Mart because they gave them to me, my local bike shop. And then the deal with the hub was the stock one was female, and I snapped that axle, and the bearings weren't sealed in it. So I got this one. It's a male, and it's got sealed axle or sealed bearings. It's pretty loud. I like it. I haven't had any problems with it yet. So I don't know. I guess it's just a Verde hub because they sent it to me. And my frame is a 2012 Verde Vex frame. The red one, red black. I like it. So I think that's everything on my bike. So here's a real fast hub sound. Not too loud, not too quiet. So yeah. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And that's it.
Uh-oh. Fuck, we're about to get in trouble.